Robots actually enabled new businesses to be created that didn't exist before, and therefore drove a significant increase in employment. So if you look in the entertainment industry, Kuka is well known for providing robo-coasters and other products, and arguably we have increased employment and increased traffic at those entertainment parks where those have been employed. Also, there's places in the medical industry and the aerospace industry that were not automated before, not able to be done by people before, that the robots have been effectively used to provide that type of flexible automation to those marketplaces.
You know, while robots do take away some potentially lower task-oriented jobs or unsafe jobs, they really increase productivity. So with increased productivity in the workforce, you're going to get increased investment. And that investment leads to jobs in other areas such as software development, engineering, logistics, and quite honestly, higher paying jobs.
If you talk about the 5-year plan in China, which is done by the government, it's a strong target, and they will reach this target for sure. And these are plenty of opportunities for companies that deliver robots, but also for companies like Schunk, for example, that deliver accessories to robots for grippers and changers and stuff like that. So we are pretty in a good hope that we will grow a big business over there.
We built a plant in South Carolina, and that plant we're 200 people, so we're not a large company, we're a small, medium-sized company. We would not have been able to do that without automation in our facility. And it created jobs in quality. We have quality personnel now, logistics personnel, process engineering personnel that would not have existed before, prior to that because of that manufacturing. And it allowed us to compete with that product worldwide. So without this kind of automation in that manufacturing facility, we wouldn't have it at all. So it allowed not only for me to be a manufacturer, but create jobs in other sectors of our business. So I guess customer service organization now, that's part of that organization, our organization, didn't exist before.
In December, we won a job that a Chicago company for over a decade has bought from China. It's a sheet metal bracket. It's 160,000 sheet metal brackets a year, year in, year out. And that used to be made in China in December. Now it's made in Baltimore, and we're using steel out of a Nucor plant in Indiana. The robot was made in Connecticut, and we won that job because we're so automated. And rather than paying a guy $250 an hour in China, we're paying a guy in Baltimore 30-something bucks an hour with health insurance. Okay, and so we're going to bring jobs home. And it's a very exciting time. There's going to be a tremendous amount of reshoring, and robots are going to help us be more competitive, be more productive. I mean, that Chinese worker was probably making 25 or 50 brackets an hour, and my guy's making 2,000 brackets per hour, and our quality is much higher. And that's because of the automation and the robots.